My name is DURGA SAI. I am coming from Machilipatnam and I completed my graduation in the stream of Computer Science Engineering. Coming to my college, Kakinada Institute of Engineering and Technology, which is located in Kakinada. After completion of my graduation, I joined in Qspiders Punjagutta, and here I joined the full stack testing course. Before joining this institute, I have zero knowledge on testing, and after joining this institute, I have gained full of knowledge in during the testing training period. And SQL taught by the Yogi sir, and manual taught by the Nichal sir, and Koza taught by the Kaushik sir, and Selenium taught by the Hariharan sir, API taught by the Sirish and in placement team also helps me a lot to get the placements, and mock interviews, presentations, aptitude training, aptitude skills examinations. These all helps me here to clear the placement.